Hello children, welcome back to the class, and today's topic is word problems. So we have to solve the word problems in this class. So the first question, word problems, first question is, a box contains 12 red balls and 10 green balls. How many balls are there together? Okay, a box contains 12 red balls and 10 green balls. So how many balls are there all together? So in a box, 12 red color balls and 10 green color balls are there. So we have to find out the total all together. So already they have given the examples here. So let's do once again in our board. Okay. Yes, let's start to do. So how many red balls, children? 12. So let's write here 12. And how many green balls? 10. That is 10. So we have to write now the place value also. That is ones and tens. Now we have to find out the total altogether, how many balls are there in that box. Okay. So let's find out the answer. So 2 plus 0, how much, children? 2 plus 0 is 2 itself. Isn't it? Yes. Now 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the answer now? 22 balls are there all together in a box, in a contains. Okay. So how many ball contains in the box, children? Total 22 balls. Okay, let's go for the second problem. The second question is, Deepu has 64 red color balloons and 27 blue color balloons. So how many balloons does he have? Okay, so how many balloons he have? Red color 64. So let's write in the box 64. And now how many blue color balloons are there? 27. Isn't it? 27. So now we have to write the place value for this. So ones place and tens place. Now what we have to do? We have to add this. So 4 plus 7. We have to find out now how many balloons does he have. So how many balloons we have to calculate. Okay, children? Yes. So 4 plus 7. So 7 should be in your mind. 4 should be in your hand. So 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. Isn't it? So we have to write that answer side here. As I told you in the previous class. So 7 plus 4, 11. And we wrote side here. And the first number underline. And right below this ones place. And the second number you have to circle it, and above this number you have to write and circle it. Okay. So we have carried over here. So 1 we have carried over here. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate this 3 number also. So 6 plus 1, how much, children? 7. Okay. So 7 plus 2 we have to do now. 7 after 8, 9. So what is the answer now? 91 is the total answer. So how many balloons now Deepu have? Deepu have 91 balloons. So total how many balloons now? 91 balloons. So let's go for the third word problem. The third question is, Vicky has 72 flowers. Jyoti gave him 18 more flowers. So how many flowers does Vicky have now? So Vicky has 72 flowers. So how many flowers does Vicky have now? 72 flowers. Isn't it? Yes. So let's write the number 72. Now, so Jyoti gave him 18 more flowers. So how many flowers she gave? 18. 1 8. 18. Okay. Yes. Now we have to find out how many flowers does Vicky have now. Okay. So before that, what we have to write now? Ones place and tens place. Isn't it? Yes. Now let's find out the answer. So 2 plus 8. So 8 should be in your mind. 2 should be in your hand. So 8 after 9, 10. So when it crosses 9, when it comes to two numbers, what we have to do? We have to write a side. So 0, underline and write here, and one more, circle it and write above this number, that is in a tens place. So we carried 1 over here. Okay children, is it clear? Okay. Now we have to calculate these three numbers. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So what is the answer now? 90. So how many flowers does Vicky have now? 90 flowers. Okay? Yes. Let's move to the next one. The fourth question is, there are 40 birds on a tree and 21 birds on another tree. How many birds are there in all? So in a one tree, how many birds are there, children? 40 birds. So 21 birds are in another tree. They are on another tree, 21. So 40 plus 21 we have to write now. Let's write here 40 birds in a one tree and 21 birds on another tree, 21. So what we have to write now? Ones and tens place. So the question is, how many birds are there in all? So what we have to do now? We have to add this number. Got it? Yes. So 0 plus 1. How much, children? It's a 1. Now 4 plus 2. 4 after 5, 6. So what is the answer now? 61 birds are there all together. Got it? So how many birds are there in all? So total 61 birds are there. Okay? Yes. Let's go for the next sum. The fifth sum is, there are 17 apples in a basket and 80 apples in another basket. How many apples are there all together? So there are two baskets. Okay, in a one basket 17 apples and one more basket 80 apples. So what we have to now we have to do? We have to all together we have to find out how many apples are there. Okay? Yes, let's move to the board. So let's write the number 17 apples in a one basket and 80 apples in one more basket. So what we have to do now? Ones place, tens place. Now we have to find out the total apples. Okay. So we have to add this. Okay. 7 plus 0. How much, children? 7 plus 0 is 7. And 1 plus 8. So 8 should be in your mind. 1 should be in your hand. 8 plus 1 is 9. So total how many apples are there? Total apples 97. Okay? Yes. Is it clear, children? Yes, it's very easy. So let's move to the next sum. So the sixth one is, Ashu has 53 toffees. Ritu has 22 toffees. How many toffees do they have all together? So Ashu has how many toffees, children? 53. Okay. So let's write here 53. And now Ritu has how many? 22 toffees. Okay. So all together we have to find out the answer. So what we have to do now? ones place, tens place we have to write, and we have to add this. Now we have to find out the total toffees. Okay. Yes. 3 plus 2, how much children? 3 after 4, 5. So let's write here 5. And next is 5 plus 2. 5 should be in your mind, 2 should be in your hand. So 5 after 6, 7. So what is the answer? 75 total answer. Okay. Yes. Let's move to the last one. The last one is, there are 15 books in a bookshelf and 13 books in another bookshelf. How many books are there all together in both the shelves? So let's find out this answer. So 15 books in a one shelf and 13 books in another shelf. So 15 books in a one shelf and 13 books in another shelf. So what we have to do now? We have to add this. We have to find out the total books, isn't it? So let's write here ones place and tens place. Let's count this number. 5 plus 3, 5 after 6, 7, 8. Write the number. 1 plus 1, how much children? It's 2. So now total how many books are there in a shelf? 28 books. Isn't it? Yes. So dear children, here we have completed the word problems. So we have completed all the word problems, and your homework is you have to write all the questions and with answers neatly one time in your classwork book, as well as you have to complete in your textbook also. Okay. So see you in the next class children. Take care and bye bye.